I tested more than 20 AI image generation tools, but after discovering this one, it's been a game changer. I'm here to show you something dope. How companies like Nike, Tesla, and Disney are creating stunning visuals in minutes. And the best thing, you're about to learn exactly how to do it yourself, even if you never touched AI before. First things first, what exactly is AI image generation? Think of it like having a superpowered artist that can paint anything you describe in words. You simply type what you want to see, and artificial intelligence creates a professional quality image for you. No art degree, no Photoshop empire, no studio setup, just raw creativity, amplified by simple instructions. Today, we're using Sora, one of the best and most powerful AI image generators out there, created by the same guys who invented ChatGPT. Why Sora? Because it's free and has the best image quality comparing it to other AI tools. Also, it has a big community where you can remix images and take references of any other images created by someone else for your masterpiece. In the next part, I will walk you through your very first AI image, step by step. By the time we're done, your image will rival what the pros charge thousands for, with a little help from Tech. Alright, time to bring your first image to life. Watch closely as I create it in real time so you can follow along and master it instantly without missing out anything. Before we dive in, let me save you from the beginner mistake being too general. Don't just say, make a logo. Say, modern tech company logo, blue and white colors, clean design, professional brand style. Now we're standing on solid concrete, let's get going. Step 1. Click the link in the description. Or if you have ChatGPT installed on the latest version, just click the Sora icon on the sidebar and it will direct you to the website. If you don't have ChatGPT, just open your browser and head to sora.chatgpt.com. You will see a dope library of what others generate. Sometimes I personally open Sora just to admire these beautiful creative images. Once you're logged in, you can now create your pro-level visuals and like other posts in the community. Step 2. The prompt box is in the bottom. Now here's where the magic happens. Instead of just typing dog or sunset, we're going to be more accurate. The secret is being specific about 3 things. The main thing you want, the surrounding elements, and the style. And if you just find knowing how to create a powerful image prompt hard to wrap your head around, just switch to ChatGPT and type this. I am generating an AI image about a topic, in my case, a dog. I want you to create an enhanced and a creative scene image prompt with the best results. See that? This prompt hits different. Now copy this prompt for our final step. Step 3. Let's customize our image settings. Upload an image. In my case, I won't upload any. Adjust your desired aspect ratio. Select the variations, which is the number of generated images. Select a preset, which is the style you want for your image. Let's go with archival. Now we're all set. Let's click that white arrow up button to generate. Wait about a minute, then click the activity button up right. That's it. You've created your first dope AI image. You can share which image you like to the community by selecting the image and clicking the sharing options. Then click publish and copy link. Now let's level up. I will show you the simple tricks that make images look like they belong in an Apple advertisement. With great tech comes great creativity. Subscribe and unlock it with Tech. Here's the law successful creators use. Description, style, quality. Let me show you. Modern coffee shop interior, morning sunlight through large windows, cozy atmosphere shot with iPhone 11 Pro, professional photography style. Notice how I added professional photography style? These are the magic words that tell Sora you want wild high-end results. Here's another example for business content. Professional businessman working on laptop, modern office space on the moon, natural lighting, corporate photography, clean and bright. Beside him, there is the earth and the sun with the text that says moonship. With archival style, this time I will upload my own image for reference. The key is thinking like you're giving instructions to a photographer. Be specific about lighting, mood, and style. Here's a bonus. Cartoon style illustration of a slice of pizza wearing sunglasses. Here's something cool. You can actually create images in the style of famous brands, even as a complete beginner. Let me show you some simple formulas. For that sleek Apple look, add these words: minimalist, clean white background, professional product photography, soft lighting. For Netflix-style dramatic images, cinematic lighting, high contrast, movie poster style, dramatic mood. For Instagram-worthy photos, bright and colorful, social media style, trendy, good lighting. Remember, just add these style words to the end of any description and watch your images transform from amateur to pro. Congratulations! You now know the fundamentals that creative teams at Amazon, Google, and Disney use every day. The difference is you learned it in 5 minutes instead of 5 years. That's how dope tech is. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The only difference between you and a professional AI creator is practice. Start with simple ideas, use the formulas I showed you, and don't be afraid to experiment. Your homework? Create your first image today. Comment below and tell me what you made. I respond to everyone and love seeing beginners' success stories. For now, go create something crazy. I believe in you.